Hello world, this is GoodBoy02 talking to you from the USA. Anyway, today we're going to be installing Microsoft Office Professional 2007 on the Windows XP machine. Anyway, let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is open up the CD drive. I have not removed the installation disk yet. Well, now I have. And I'm going to go ahead and open up the Office 2007. Go ahead and get that done somehow. There we are. Make sure that's disk 1. Yep, it is. So let's go ahead and put it in. And back to our computer. Move this out of the way. Go ahead and get this installed. Please wait while Setup prepares the necessary files. Okay. We're not going to do that right now. We're just going to push continue. We're not going to enter now. Well, let's go ahead and put in the Office 2000 CD right over here. Go ahead and click Browse. We're gonna hit cancel here. Now we're going to go My Computer. Okay. Let's go ahead and put in the Office 2007 CD again. Put this away. Push OK. I'm going to accept these terms. Continue. Let's go ahead and push install. Now installing. Office Professional for Windows XP Professional. Sounds good to me. Anyway, let's see how long this takes. This isn't going to take very long. Sorry for the lack of commentary. This isn't taking very long. And like I said, I'm sorry for the lack of commentary. I just, don't know what to say. There's nothing for me to say. So quiet in here you can hear a pin drop. Well, Microsoft Office Professional 2007 has been successfully installed. Visit Microsoft Office online to get free product updates, help, and online services. Let's go ahead and just close this message. Oh look, Microsoft Outlook's been installed. Great. Here's Microsoft Office. Great, we did it. Go ahead and go to Office Word 2007. Go ahead and just type we gotta enter the product key. We're not going to. We're not going to do that, any of that. So let's just go ahead and type some text. Well, there you have it. There's a few lines of text. Let's go ahead and go to the Office button, save as. We'll save it in documents as Hello World. Great. Well, there you have it. Microsoft Office 2007. Up next in this mini-series, Internet for the Windows XP machine. Please like and subscribe. See you around.